Joey, you have a new bouncer. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. What do you think? His little legs can touch the floor. Let's scoot back here.
Here, buddy, let's get both arms up. Both arms up.
We just got the jumper today. Yeah, Maggie says you're right at slobber height. This is great. You like the flower? Whoa.
Gotta work on sitting up first.
Good job, Joey.
Maggie.